Hi and welcome. I want to talk about talent. I have read many books on talent, and some of them talk about, for example, that talent is overrated and there is only hard work. I see the merit of that statement, though I do believe there is something called as talent. Now, whether it's a result of your hard work or you're born with a certain level of talent, I don't know. But there is something called a talent. There are people who are naturally gifted at certain things and they're able to do those things in a manner which is almost wondrous, which I cannot attempt. Now, that might be a result of hard work, that might be a result of the way they're brought up, but that's not the concern of this topic. What I'm here to talk about is talent. That everyone has a certain talent or has a certain gift, or as a result of living their life in a certain way, as a result of education or whatever they've learned, they've come to acquire a special skill about something or the other. What people fail to realize is the responsibility that comes with talent. And that's where they just wither it away. I've come across people in organizations, in normal life, in my neighborhood, people with tremendous amount of ability and skill. And that's their talent. And they realize that that's their skill that's bringing them joy or that's running their house. But they don't realize the responsibility of that skill. And what do I mean, the responsibility of that talent? The responsibility of your talent is that if I have a skill or if I have a special talent, which is to communicate to people or to be able to do seminars or stand up and talk about any topic, then it is my responsibility that I use that talent to give value to people. If you use your talent just to survive in this world, or to just to give value to yourself, or just constantly worry about how you can get your promotion and your next level of increment, that's a waste of talent. That's not a responsible way of living, because all that you're doing with your talent is making one life or one family better. And as a result, you'll hit a ceiling very soon and you won't know how to go beyond that to make a bigger difference or to make a larger or hold a larger position in this world. If you realize the responsibility of your talent, which is to be able to use this and now create the spread of it, is when you'll be able to spread the joy that you receive to thousands of other people, and that's when the real magic happens. Realize your talent, introspect, come in contact with what your real talent is. But after that, realize that you have a responsibility of this special gift, which is to take it to other people, which is to let go of it from your own perspective and bring it to the world so that you can create a spread. And when you create a spread is when the life or when the growth of life in its true sense happens.